Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me, and it's also a super easy crock pot meal that you could do any day of the week to save yourself some time. So we've been doing a lot of our crock pot meals on Sundays because we have small group at 4 o'clock, which is our Bible study group, and they all come over here. So we're not really wanting to pull out a bunch of stuff and start cooking after they leave. So we started doing the crock pot meals and doing lots of easy stuff like soups and just dump recipes, things like that. So that way we just dump it and we don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. It's easy cleanup after small group and everything too. So I hope you guys love this recipe. I'm gonna be doing a broccoli and cheddar soup for you guys today. So I've already done it. I've already put everything in the crock pot at this point. But so as you can see, like, my kitchen is a disaster and I need to get to cleaning. But I'm gonna show you guys the recipe really quick and then I'm gonna clean. Also, before we get started, today's video is a collaboration with my friend Jennifer, and her channel is Cook, Clean, and Repeat, and you guys are going to love her. She shares so many recipes on her channel, and she's the sweetest. She's a Southern mama just like me, and she does lots of similar videos to mine. So make sure that as soon as you get done watching my video, you go to her channel and watch her video. She's gonna be doing a cook and clean with me as well. I'll have the link to her video in my description box to make it easy for you guys to find. And then that way when you go over there, just tell her that I sent you. You guys are gonna love her. And yeah, you'll get a double dose of cook and clean with me today. And if you're coming over from Jennifer's channel, then welcome. My name is Amy and I live in Savannah, Georgia, and I do lots of videos just like Jennifer does. We do a lot of lifestyle. I do cooking, cleaning, home decor, just different things like that. So I hope that you will enjoy my channel and my content, and subscribe if you're new. Alright guys, before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then subscribe if you're new, say hey in the comments, and let's get started. Alright, so for today's recipe, it is broccoli and cheese soup, and I will have a link to this exact recipe down in my description box. It's from Pinterest. I found it there, so that way it's easy for you to find. But I'm just going to start by dumping all of my ingredients into the crock pot. So I'm putting in 4 cups of broccoli florets, and I just got the frozen bag kind and just threw it in there. And then you need a medium yellow onion finely diced, a cup of grated carrots, 2.5 cups of vegetable broth, and then the recipe does call for a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and I thought I had gotten that with my groceries, but apparently I didn't. So I ended up just using regular milk. I have 2% milk, and you can make your own at home, but I was being lazy and just used regular milk. Next, the recipe says 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, but we actually put more than that because we really love garlic. And then your cream cheese. I used 8 ounces of the cream cheese, and then we also got an 8-ounce block of cheddar cheese. I wish I would have just gotten the shredded already, but for some reason I didn't read the whole recipe, and I just bought the block because it says to, and then you shred it yourself. So usually I will just go the easy route and go ahead and buy shredded cheddar, but I had Chance help me out with the shredding part. And just so y'all know, he's the real cook at our house. And then the last few ingredients are 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and I put way too much. I don't know what I was doing, but you don't need as much as I put in there. Just put 1 teaspoon and you'll be good. And then your salt and pepper. Then you just mix everything together, and you're gonna cook it on low for 4 to 6 hours, or you can cook it on high for about 2 hours. So when you get a resealable bag, but your husband opens it from the top. So now I'm just gonna use a rubber band to hold it closed because it's the only way to do it now. Oh well. All right, so now you can see this kitchen is in serious need of some cleaning. All right, here we go. So now we started cleaning. Chance took out the trash, and then I started just putting up anything that was still out from cooking and cleaning off the countertops. You are a pill, I swallow it. So I don't know about you guys, but I do the majority of my cleaning during the week. And then so on the weekends, I feel like I kind of let it go, especially on Saturdays. I don't do as much. And then when we have small group on Sunday, I'm running around like a mad woman trying to get the house picked back up. So y'all let me know, are you the same way? Do you clean more on the weekdays or the weekends or just every single day? What do y'all do? And if you know me, then you know usually we run our dishwasher at night. So I was going ahead and putting all of our stuff in the dishwasher, and I went ahead and started it so I didn't have to do it after small group. But plus the dishwasher was pretty full. I wasn't going to be able to put anything else in there. So after dinner, I will just hand wash everything. So I've been wanting to do a lot of the videos that you guys are requesting, and I know that you guys love cleaning videos, but I want to know if you guys really like the day in the life videos, because some people are asking to have more day in the life videos on my channel, but I want to make sure that it's something that you guys really want to see. So y'all let me know if you guys watch my day in the life videos with me and the kiddos and kind of an everyday style, like what we do. Or if you have any other videos that you would really like to see on my channel. I do have a really long list going of some videos that you guys have suggested, and so I'm trying to make it through that list. I have, you know, tons of ideas, but I definitely want to make sure that all of these videos are things that you guys want to see. And here I'm just going to wipe down our breakfast table. This is where we eat most of the time, but I always clean it off. Half the time I'll clean it with just like an e-cloth and water, and then the other half the time I'll use the multi-surface spray by Mrs. Meyers, and this time I'm using the honeysuckle scent. And then I just got this heavy degreaser by Method. You guys were all telling me how much you love it on your stovetops. So I got that, and this is the first time that I used it, and I absolutely loved it. Before I was using the multi-surface spray, and I just felt like I could never get it completely clean. So I got this degreaser, and I really, really love it. I love the way it smells too. So the scent that it comes in is the lemongrass citronella, and I don't think it comes in any other scents, but I don't mind this one. I think it smells pretty good. Next, I'm wiping down my countertops with the Method Daily Granite Cleaner, and I highly recommend this one if you have granite anywhere in your house. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is wipe down the wood countertops with my Method Wood for Good Cleaner. And these products are probably my all-time favorite. The granite cleaner and the wood cleaner, I always talk about this because I love them so much, and I just love the way my house smells after I have cleaned my kitchen with them. And then, like I said, we were about to have small group, so before I could even get to the vacuum, Chance had already vacuumed for me, so yeah, I didn't even get to show you guys me vacuuming. That's how great he is. Alright, so the kitchen is now clean, but I'm not going to worry about the floors because we have small group coming, but I did get this new mop. It's the O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop. You guys were telling me all about this mop, so I'm super excited to use it tonight after we eat dinner. Alright, so our small group friends just left, so I'm going to show you guys what our broccoli and cheddar soup looks like. It looks so good and it smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, are y'all ready? Look at this yumminess. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. I can't wait to try it. Anything with cream cheese is gonna be good. Let me know if y'all love cream cheese as much as I do. All right, now for the kiddos, I was making some grilled cheese sandwiches to go with their broccoli and cheddar soup. They don't usually eat much of the soup, so that's why I did this. I kind of wish I could find some more soups that they were crazy about. They do love broccoli, they love cheese, but for some reason, it's maybe a texture thing. They're not really crazy about the soup part of it. But y'all let me know if you have any good recipes, like soup recipes or things like that would be good for kids that your kids maybe love. I would love to know those as well. And then Chance and I didn't eat anything with our soup. We just had a big bowl of soup, but this would be so good with like some bread from the bakery or any kind of bread really, I think would go perfectly with this soup. Alright y'all, so that is it for this recipe and this cook and clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it and let me know if you do try this recipe out. Don't forget to go check out Jennifer's cook and clean with me as well. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay.
Cooper!
I really don't want to edit all this out.
Well then don't. It's real life.
Okay, let me get you on camera.
You see, you gotta mix the soup up. You want to be a soup. You can't just put it all in layers, baby. To come out where you want it. It's Paula Deen 101. We tight. Do I have another button? I think I got
what else
one.
can you talk about?
I think I got one more button I can button up here.
Let's talk about some more stuff. What else?
Kason is the best son ever. And he's so beautiful and pretty. Except when he makes that face.
I didn't mix it up good enough.
You gotta let it get up underneath the solid. The liquid's gotta get up underneath the solid.
Oh my gosh. Alright.
Vice versa.
Now I need to clean this kitchen while it cooks. What you think?
What'd you say?
Why don't you clean the kitchen?
Oh, that's tinfoil. I bet I didn't get it.